Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Here on the Ethereum chart, we are currently tracking this this move to the downside, which is a C wave in a larger degree, wave 4. Just notice that the some part of that structure has disappeared, so, but it helps us to understand where we come from. So from this December high, we have an initial decline in wave 1. Wave 2 rally, third wave down. The question was, okay, fourth wave, that's unchanged, but did the wave 5 bottom here on Friday? Clearly didn't, so it's still extending, and we'll talk about that in this video. That was the previous yellow scenario. I have changed this to white now because we formed the lower low. So the idea is that we are working here on a fifth wave down, which however is an ABC structure, which we know. So the only thing was, did this ABC, like this, complete already on Friday? Or was this just the A wave of an even larger ABC, which is labeled here A, B, C? Based on that development of price action, we can calculate a target for the C wave down. Okay, so we have A, B, C, and A. So we take the length of that with our Fibonacci extension tool. We clearly have a 3-wave rally into yesterday's high, or the Sunday high, which was the B wave. And then a C wave to the downside usually reaches the 100% extension of the initial A wave. So, and I can just show you how to do that. So we'll take the entire length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave, and then it takes us here to round about $1,820. That doesn't mean the price has to get there. It also doesn't mean the price has to turn around there. We're dealing with a still unfolding correction, but it is the next key support level to watch, and we just have to monitor how the price reacts to that level when we actually get there. If we get there, which would be the assumption, especially as long as the price is respecting resistance. So the nearest resistance level is now, or area, I should rather say, is now located between $2,200 and $2,267. This is the resistance for an internal fourth wave bounce, you could say. So if I zoom in a little bit, then you see we have an initial wave 1, wave 2. This is a C wave down, which is a 5-wave pattern. We have a wave 1 and a wave 2 and a third wave. And then this might be a fourth wave with one more low. That would actually work out quite well. I mean, we could currently be in the fourth wave. Key is to understand that as long as we stay below resistance, one more low is favored, or at least likely. Now, it's just a downtrend. That's what it is. So it's a series of lower lows, lower highs, and expectations until the price changes, let's say, direction, which it tells us by breaking above key levels. Assumptions would be we could get another low, but obviously it's formed that one more low now, so technically also here the wave count is full. Microstructure allows for another low, but we need a break above resistance for a first indication a low is in. Again, there is a bit of a cluster of support around 1817 to 1790. 1790 is one of the larger degree support levels that we talk about on the larger time frame regularly. So that's something to keep in mind. But overall, patterns are unchanged since yesterday's update. And all I did, I think I adjusted resistance a little bit down to 2,267. And zooming into the nanostructures, you can see here that the bounce is seen as a wave 4. So. And usually, such a wave 4 would reach the 38.2 retracement. So it might go a little higher, doesn't have to though. Technically, from an Elliott wave point of view, a break above resistance is, good indication a low is in, but it is going to be a break above the wave 1 low at 2,321 that formally invalidates this downward impulse, with one more low, because a wave 4 must not break into the wave 1 price region. But normally we don't want a wave 4 that's so high. So if we get above resistance, that's already an indication a low is in. So not much more to say. We are definitely approaching the next key level here. But as long as rallies remain corrective, there is not really any high probability turnaround structure that we could refer to. Yeah, no long trade setup on the smaller time frame. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.